Hello and welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. We're looking at gold for this week's analysis. So looking back on last week, we can see that we've had that push to the upside. So it was a very strong move. We were currently in this ranging motion here, and as we can see, we've had that heavy rejection from the upside to the downside. So almost wiping out majority of these two candles here. So looking on how to get into this market for next week, we need to pay attention to this reversal zone that we've made from previous weeks, and that's at 1515 to 1509, so in between this area. And what we are looking to see is if price can come back into this area and close above. And if that does happen, we could expect wick rejection to the downside, and then that was one sign that we are looking for. So wick rejections to the downside, and then a bullish sentiment to the upside. That would be our entry to get into. Now, if price fails to close above here, and we're seeing that price is struggling to go past and close above this yellow zone, then this is obviously acting as resistance. Then we would likely see wicks to the upside. That will be the sign of rejection. Then we are going to look for as a bearish sentiment to the downside, and therefore would be testing the lows potentially to the blue zone, and that's basically 1485. I'm not giving any particular bias. I'm just being very neutral about gold this week. Especially we have to consider with the NFP. So there will be a lot of volatility in this market. So it's up to you if you prefer to trade with the current time or wait for the NFP to let the dust settle and let the market play out. So it's up to you, but there is a lot of money to be made in this market with gold. I do believe we are on the upside, so I will be paying attention more towards this yellow reversal zone. So that will be all from us on this video. If you do get any benefit from our videos, or if they're helping you at all, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also go ahead and check out our Twitter page as well. We do post a lot of different things on there, so it gives you a chance as well to ask any questions or interact with the community, etc. So thank you very much for listening, and I will see you next week.